My mother is on her way, and this chair smells wonderful. We have to make it stink. Now. Now? Now! Now! There's a better way to get rid of your in-laws.
For all things that smell nice, try Sneeze. Sneeze! Sneeze puts 99.9% of all germs and dirt back into the air to leave a nice dirty scent. Sneeze.
Darling, your mother is here. Come in.
Oh! Ew! It smells like dirty socks and dust and milk. I am not staying here. Yeah!
Sneeze is for me. Sneeze is for me. But sneeze isn't for me.
You can use it on the chair, you can use it on the door, you can use it on the stairs, you can use it on the floor, you can use it in your hair, you can use it in the air, you can use Sneeze everywhere!